Here talk about the grammar of NIWA. The grammar of NIWA is mean that for the purpose of or in order to something. In Japanese, when you use the grammar of NIWA, you can use with the verb in a dictionary form and followed by NIWA. So that means you can use the NIWA with the verb only, and you can use with the dictionary form. In another form, you cannot use with. So be careful when you use the grammar of NIWA, and it had the meaning that for the purpose of or in order to something. So the next, to make more understand about how to use the grammar of NIWA, the next we are going to see some example of how to use. The first example, 日本語が上手になるにはどうしたらいいですか？日本語が上手になるにはどうしたらいいですか？ Which means, what should I do to improve my Japanese? What should I do to improve my Japanese? In this sentence, we see that the dictionary, the verb in dictionary form that they use with NIWA is naru. Naru is the dictionary form, and for the mass form, it can be narimasu. Naru, right? So in this sentence, they use jozu ni naru niwa, right? So it means to improve or in order, something like this. So the next we are going to see the example. 図書館の本を借りるにはこのカードが必要です。図書館の本を借りるにはこのカードが必要です。Which means that in order to borrow a book from the library, you need this card. In order to borrow a book from the library, you need this card. In this sentence, the verb that they use with NIWA is the verb of kariru. Kariru is mean borrow a book. Right? Hong o kariru is mean borrow. That means in order to borrow a book, right, from the library. Right? このカードが必要です。That means is need this card. The next example. JLPT N3 に合格するにはどんな勉強が必要でしょうか？ JLPT N3 に合格するにはどんな勉強が必要でしょうか？ Which means that I wonder what kind of studying is necessary in order to pass the JLPT N1. I wonder what kind of studying is necessary in order to pass the JLPT N1. For this sentence, the verb that they use with the NIWA in this sentence is gokaku suru. Gokaku is suru is meant to pass, right? Pass the examination. For in the math, one can say gokaku shimasu. Past tense form, 合格した or 合格しました But the dictionary form is mean 合格する So JLPT N1 に合格するにはどんな勉強が必要でしょうか That means in order to pass, right? For the JLPT N1, right? どんな勉強が必要でしょうか What kind of studying is necessary? The next example. 子供がいい大学に入れるには私は毎日残業してお金を稼いでいる。子供がいい大学に入れるには私は毎日 乱用してお金を稼いでいる。That means I work overtime every day to save money to get my kids into a good university. I work overtime every day to save money to get my kids into a good university. In this sentence, the verb that I use is mean 入れる. 入れる is mean to enter, right? To enter the university or to entrance the university or to get into the university. So either is mean the good university, right? So in this sentence, that means the verb that I use is 入れる. NIWA, right? Actually, for when you use the grammar of NIWA, that means it's the long sentence. When you want to make a long sentence, you can use the NIWA. Because for the first before NIWA is mean a small sentence, and after that is composite of a small sentence again. So 子供がいい大学に入れる is a small sentence, right? NIWA, this means to connect between two small sentences together. So when you have a really long sentence, so you can use NIWA to connect small sentence together and have the meaning, right? If you connect a small sentence together but it don't have the meaning, so it's not necessary. But when you want to make a long sentence and have the meaning connect to each other, so you can use NIWA to make the sentence. Thank you very much for watching my video clip, and please help me subscribe my channel if you haven't. I hope to see you about learning Japanese in the next time. ありがとうございました。